Comparing AI models in 2026, GPT versus Gemini versus Claude versus open models. AI models are evolving, but not for the same purpose. AI models are evolving rapidly. But not all models are designed for the same use case. Different models, different strengths. Some are optimized for reasoning, some for speed, some for multimodal tasks, image plus video. Some are open source and customizable. Commercial models focus on enterprise needs. Large commercial models like OpenAI GPT-style systems focus on advanced reasoning, structured outputs, enterprise integrations. Search plus multimodal focus models like Google Gemini focus on deep search integration, strong multimodal capabilities. Long context plus structured writing. Claude-style models from Anthropic are optimized for longer context windows, structured writing tasks. Open models equals flexibility plus control. Open source models offer self-hosting, fine-tuning, customization for business needs. There is no best model. There is no universal best model. Different use cases need different strengths. Match model to use case. Content writing plus reasoning. Heavy tasks. Some models perform better coding plus debugging plus structured output. Certain models outperform others. Enterprise deployment, security, compliance, and integrations matter more than raw intelligence. The key takeaway: choose the model based on use case, not popularity. AI is now infrastructure. AI is no longer a novelty tool. It is infrastructure. Why that matters for careers: understanding model differences gives you leverage.